Welcome back. It's Welcome After Hours on this special Tuesday edition. Today's video, we're gonna go over the new mini Chinapiller that we picked up in the last video. So I'll make sure that come across the pond, it didn't get all water in the motor, water in the hydraulic system. Just want to check it over, nothing crazy. And then we're gonna unload it, hopefully, because it's pretty narrow, but hopefully both ramps next to each other will work. I don't know. And then we're gonna see how little it can do, or how much. We'll find out. Because a few videos ago, I spread all this gravel out, and those rocks were around my well there. So I want to put those rocks back so that somebody doesn't smoke my well. Well, if they smoke my well, hopefully they just hit the rocks, not my well. But we'll see if that little guy can pick those up, because I don't know. We'll find out though, right? Now, being that these things only have a lawnmower engine in them, oh yeah, how am I supposed to get to that dipstick? They make it very easy to work on. It's fine. Oh, no dipstick. Okay. Okay. There's no dipstick on her. So we're gonna say she's good. Hydraulic oil looks low, but the boom isn't in the right spot, I don't think. Oh, baby. Ooh. How about now? Oh. There we go. Choker. I looked at it. It's low. I don't have any. It's fine. Woo! That thing moves fast. One thing they always say about these things is they're slow. They weren't lying. They're slow. maybe that's a hydraulic issue. It's fine. We'll get some later. But let's see if we can get these rocks moved. Woo! We're gonna put our blade down. This one. Can't wreck this one. Jesus. And we're tipping. It's fine. All right, well, pretty easy. Looks pretty good, but this will protect my wellhead for now. The thing's 200 feet deep, so I don't need anybody hitting it. But yeah, the old Chinapiller did pretty good. So this is a brand new machine. I don't know, 25, 26, whatever. The CFG Industrial. 26 horsepower engine, and they're just lawnmower engines, you know, just hooked to a pump. Pretty simple machines. I mean, it still has the can you see it down there? Still has the pull rope on it even, so that's pretty cool. And they just do a little hydraulic cooler with a fan. And I mean, yeah, that's all there really is to it. Choke, throttle, you know, boom, easy stuff. Here's the hydraulic level. I don't know where it's supposed to be, but she definitely looks low, so we'll put a load in her. But it's a cute little unit. But in all reality, we know that this is a gas-powered shovel, right? Just, you can sit down instead of breaking your back, you just use this. Could I move the rocks? Maybe the two smaller ones. Not the big one. The big one would have been a little bit of a struggle, but I could have. But I mean, why? So one of those things that when you buy, you don't really have like, oh, I'm going to use it for this. It's, I don't know what we're going to use it for. But when you have it, you find 1.5 million uses for it, and you're just happy you have it. It's like, sweet. So, but yeah, it's a pretty good little machine. I mean, it's a Chinapiller, so it's gonna be what it's gonna be, right? It's a little low on hydraulic oil, which I gotta pay out at my buddy's house that we're actually working on that Ford 600 forklift, which hopefully comes out the video for that will hopefully come out this Thursday. Fingers crossed. We're almost done with that, so if you want to check that out, you know, make sure you come back in a couple days to watch that. I'm just excited to have this thing around the farm. It is my brother's, so it'll be here though. It'll be here enough. It'll be fine. If you haven't realized, a lot of stuff is my brother's. We don't talk about that, okay? But I'm just excited to use it. Thanks for watching this little video. So let me know if you like it or not, and we'll see you in the next one. Doodles.